What is up, YouTube? It is ZDB Shoes here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Frida Kahlo Vans that just released. I think they released last week. I ordered them as soon as they released, and been waiting on them to get here. So they just came in, so I'm going to unbox them and let you guys take a peek at them, see what we think. All right, guys, let's get into it. My handy dandy multi-tool here for quick unboxing action. Here we go, guys. Just pulled the box out. Wow, that is a really nice box. Check it out. White box. It says Frida Kahlo. I'm guessing that's her signature. Other than that, pretty standard. Vans off the wall, and then on the back here it says Vault. I'm guessing that has something to do with like a Vans Vault or something for special shoes they do. But anyway, oh, that is really neat, guys. So here we go. As you can see here, it's got her face right here on the front towards the toe, and then you've got like a red and green, where the Vans thing that is usually just red, you've got like a red and green little thing, I guess, for like the Mexican flag or whatever. And the back part of the shoe is actually just black as we go around here. And then you got your normal Vans little square rubber tag on the back like it usually is. The bottoms, you got your normal waffle bottoms. But yeah, overall, a really simple shoe. A nice colorway to represent Frida Kahlo. Let me grab the other one and see. Nope, they're the same. So the right and left shoe are pretty much the same. Obviously, we've got our Vans sticker that comes with every pair of Vans. But yeah, I like these shoes, guys. I don't think I would be... Oh, and that's really neat as well. So something I didn't notice on the other one because it had the paper in is that, you know, most Vans just have like the normal canvasy type insole. This one has, it looks like kind of like a piece of leather that you can step your foot on. I'm not sure if like any other pairs of Vans have that or not. That's the first time I've seen that. It's been a while since I bought a pair of Vans slip-ons though, so that might be a normal thing now for the slip-ons, but I don't think I've had a pair of slip-ons since like elementary school. I stick to old schools and eras. I don't even know the model of the ones that I have the most of. I think they're like the Era Authentics or something like that, and definitely the old schools, low and high. But anyway, guys, yeah, nice colorway. I've been looking at the prices of these on StockX. They were $80 is what I got these for, and that's what I got them for on Need Supply at retail. And I've been looking at the prices on StockX to see kind of what they're going for. When they first released, they were going for like $200. You know, they were going well above retail, but they've kind of lowered down now, as everything tends to do. But the interesting thing I've found is that, I guess it's not interesting, but because it makes sense, is that most of the sizes being sold are like 5.5, 6.5, and that leads me to believe that most of these are going to women are buying these, women or girls are buying these, which I guess makes sense because it is a very feminine shoe. I would probably rock it though, although I'm probably going to just end up selling it on StockX. A really neat shoe. Like, you've got the portrait of Frida Kahlo on there. They did actually release 2 other pairs. I think they did a skate high and another slip-on that had like watermelons or something. I think that was from one of her paintings or something like that. But I like this collab. I don't even know if it's a collab, but I like this 3 shoe series that they did for Frida Kahlo. Obviously, Frida Kahlo has, I think she died like a while back, but she's still pretty popular in pop culture and everything. a really good symbol of Mexican culture, I think. And also another defining thing about her is the kind of the unibrow that she had going. She rocked it probably better than anyone, other than Anthony Davis, obviously, since I think coined that. He didn't coin that term. I think he trademarked it or something, the brow or the unibrow or something. But anyway, to not go on a rant, this was the unboxing of the Frida Kahlo Vans slip-ons with her portrait on them. Overall, really neat shoe. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video, and I will be coming back at you with more content soon. Peace.